and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing, the Motorola Razr 2. This one does have a little crack in it on the front screen, but other than that, it's fully working. It's going to start with the backdrop in 3, 2, 1. It was like a perfect side drop, guys. We're going to count that as the, we're going to just do another backdrop just to be sure. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alrighty. And see some mark. Oh, come on. There we go. See down here. Let's wipe it down. Nothing too bad at all, actually. Doing pretty good still. Let's go and do a corner drop. It's windy out, so hopefully it lands on the corner, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, I think that landed kind of on the face. Kind of right here on the corner. So I guess we're going to count that as the corner drop. Let's go ahead and do the face down. I'm going to put the battery in it for the weight, you know, because it was supposed to have a battery in it. Here goes the face drop in 3, 2, 1. Oh, the wind's picking up, guys. It keeps hitting the sides right here. Still working. Let's go ahead and redo it, I guess. Just so I can get a nice flat face down. I see there's just one crack on there right now. In 3, 2, 1. That's gonna have to do. Hopefully it landed on the screen. Let's go and do the open face down. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Not too bad, actually. It's doing really good. I think it's doing better than the V3s. Let's go ahead and do the throw test. See what that does. Here already. In 3, 2, 1. While these didn't get stuck on slow motion, picking it up, it cracked the bottom of the display. Got a whole bunch of cracks on it. Still looks pretty good though. We're going to do one more, and then we're going to call it quits, guys. Let's go and see what it does. I really want to compare this because I've already done 2 of the, I guess 3 of the V3s now. So, in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, well, it didn't look good since there's no battery. It did break in half. Here's the piece for the V3 for the battery door. Here's the bottom half. Here's the display for the Razr. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.